All right, guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where we are at Coney Island. And let me tell you, man, I'm cold. I am so cold. Today, I am not smiling. So right now, it's showing that it's 53 degrees Celsius and there are wind chills. I'm kind of on like a subscriber day today. Big up yourself, T. Which part T in the background? So, you know, I got a lot of people all across the world, but especially in the United States. So she's from Jamaica, but she's in New York, and then she's like, yo, watch the videos, let's hang out. So I'm here, and the funny thing is I could not turn down this offer because I've never came to Coney Island in my life before. If you guys are from Jamaica and you're back anywhere, I think probably as close to the 90s, you might remember Coney Park in Jamaica. I guess it's named after this one here. And yeah, so today I'm just gonna try my best to enjoy this as much. Honestly, I'm a big fan of New York, but I'm not a fan of the New York cold. I did not intend to be here in New York at this time of year and experience the cold. That's one of the reasons why I haven't even been posting much videos, because me not like cold as a yard man. So we're gonna take on a ride right now. Which ride are we going on first? All right, so you've been in New York for quite a while now. Like, how many times have you been to Coney Island?
I lost count.
You lost count?
I've been here so many times.
So many times?
The experience is just always different because you never get accustomed to the thrills that these rides give you. So let's go.
All right, so these rides give you thrills. So is it like a date kind of place? Like if a guy is taking a girl somewhere in New York?
Yeah. I mean, people come here for various reasons. Dates, just, you know, family fun day.
Exercise.
Of course, to the beach, but right now, of course, it's cold for that. But as it gets warmer,
We don't call that beach, we call that ocean.
it's
Pacific
beach,
Ocean.
whatever it is, we don't have
It
a
look
choice.
cold. It look
We don't
cold
have
as
a choice,
hell.
So it's a beach for us. So as it, you know, as the time gets closer to summer, it's gonna be really packed here. And then on Friday nights, you could come. We have fireworks show every Friday night.
Oh really?
Every Friday night there's a firework right here, big display.
That's new for
As
me.
I said, this year gonna be packed. Next few weeks, as it gets closer to summer, it's gonna be a lot of people here. And as I said, you can come here for whatever occasion.
Wow. All right, so we're gonna go on the first ride, and you said we're going on what ride?
Thunderbolts.
All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, so I gotta leave my bags. Probably might have to leave my camera and phone. So yeah, we're gonna check out this ride, and I'll tell you how loud yeah. Let me tell you something. I'm done with she. I'm gone right now because, bro, I'm not gonna hide and talk. I was vocal. Yeah? I was so vocal, and that ride, it's not that bad, but bro, yo, that was fun. That was fun. That was a hell of fun, man. Jesus. But it's still cold. It's still cold. I'm very interested though to see what kind of park foods that they have. Is that the water ride that you were mentioning before? I would do that.
Since you're feeling cold, we're not gonna do that right now.
Oh, I got you.
We have time.
All right.
How was it, Steve?
Scary, bro.
But it was fun.
It was fun. Now that I'm talking about it, yeah. The whole time my face was just like, my boss it, man. Yeah, man.
When you get to the top, you get no time to think about it. As you get to the top,
Drop. Yo, the whole time, see me, you know, if this will open up, can I hold on long enough? Am I strong enough? Like, honestly, being on that ride just now, it felt like a workout. Like, I feel parts of my muscles that tensed up, clenched up. Bro, ridiculous, man. All right, but when you're on, you said you've come to Coney Island like several times, right? What is your favorite park food here? You know I like food. What's your...
Well, I mean, the traditional Nathan's hot dog. I'm pretty much sure you've heard about the famous hot dog
I've had it
eating
before.
contest, right? So Nathan's, their hot dog is really good, but my favorite, I don't really have a favorite because I'll eat anything.
Gotcha.
I'll eat anything. Carefully eat and then go on these rides.
Ooh, so this looks very, it looks very, what is it, Colombian, kind of? So what you want? You want to like do some more rides first before?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is like in Colombia. I love this.
Eat plus ride. So you're not seeing
So
what's coming up?
when you close the eyes, you feel safer?
No, I'm asking you because you say how the eyes closed.
Listen, when you're a little pitney man and you go to your bed and it's dark, you close your eyes, no man's gonna touch you.
I think if you close your
Up
eyes,
to today day, when me close my eyes and go to my bed, no man's gonna never touch me
but
yet.
that's where
So,
I think that's where you set up yourself because if you close your eyes, like you're not, you just
my
go
friend,
with emotion.
my heart can't
See,
manage
you're not
it.
preparing yourself for what's ahead. You see, I open my eyes. When I got to the top, I know the drop is coming. You close your eyes, you don't know what's coming.
Yeah, man, no one know how
So
come.
it's like, you know, an earthquake, take you off guard.
Take me off guard. I don't want.
All right.
Hold on, wait. Make me rethink that one. This is happening too fast, my boy. Yo, this is not my idea of a fun time. This is not fun. Oh my God. All right, so we're going on another one. This one is called the Soaring Eagle. All right, so that was fun. That was super fun. Every second just say for so me make people laugh, just so you know. But when you're in these positions, man, like this that I'm in, yo, it is fun as hell.
Open it? Is it open? No?
I'm glad we did the first one first because that one was more intense, probably the most intense one one off. So yeah, that was fun. All right, so we'll see what else we can go on after this. But Coney Island, by itself, it seems it's pretty good, but I can imagine in the summertime when there's more people, it's even better.
You just basically going on it for view, you understand? Because they just don't stop and get other people and just until they reach, you know, the full time.
So you say we're going over to the Cyclone, right? So I realize here is like a very open concept. You can just like walk in, kind of.
Yeah, because, oh, you mean in terms of not paying to go in?
Yeah, it's like it doesn't seem.
Yeah, no, you just get tickets
Yeah.
for each section. But because all of the park is not open right now,
Yeah.
you have to just choose what's available. Because if you notice the ticket that we have says Luna Park.
Yeah.
So in the middle here, some rides you have to have like different tickets for it. So
Okay.
yeah.
Gotcha.
But it's an open concept. Nothing to pay, just walk on the entire stretch.
It's just like a part of the city, basically. If you guys have ever been to Coney Island, drop it in the comments and let me know which one is your favorite ride and why you like coming to Coney Island. But so far, it's been good. Now, this ride is a wooden ride, so I'm assuming it's built like years ago. And what I do know about amusement parks, it's all about like the fear factor. So with the rumbling that you can get from the planks or the boards or whatever, it gives you a different feel like than the more modern rides. So yeah, we're gonna check it out. I'm so sad though that the Coney Park that we had in Jamaica got closed down. That was really good. I think I went on it like twice when I was like a really little kid. But as I became a teenager, of course, it got closed down. I guess it wasn't having enough support because to maintain these rides costs a lot. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. You ever hear them young girls say, oh, them buck all a 50, 60-year-old man and never know, sir, I saw the boy dangerous. As I go up on this ride here, I say, all right, watch out. This ride has probably been around for like a long time. Like this can't be, you know, this ain't it, bro. Brother, see the face, huh? the whole time, bro. Amazing rides, amazing. I'm feeling every single muscle in my body. Like me, I feel every single muscle in my body. So far, it's been really fun. I don't think I want to go on any more.
Okay, so which is your favorite so far?
The one that gave me
Thrill?
the most thrill was the first one. The first one was like, yeah. This one, I'm gonna give it the second position because I never expected for the old girl go on somebody. Yeah. All right, so we just came off a baby ride. Me, nothing to me. I'm too tough for this. I'm strong.
Oh man, he's getting brave now. He's getting brave.
So I'm going on this one, which is called the Electro Spin. Wait. That? This name Electro Spin? So, no, I think I'll pass on this one. That one back there is definitely not for me. The spinning thing, I'm not upon that. So we're gonna go to one called the Steeplechase. That one is like horses. Of course not real horses, but yeah. I'm down for the chill rides. I find that if you're coming to like an amusement park, you have to be doing it quite often. I haven't been to an amusement park since the last time I filmed it on this channel where I went to Six Flags, and that's a long time ago. All right, so we have more of a line in this one, and obviously I am not in the line. None tall, not in the line. I personally don't feel like going on this ride. I'm really into trusting my gut, and my gut tells me, nah. So she's going on the Steeplechase, and I'm going on the bench over there. Yep. All right, now so we're heading towards the Wonder Wheel. That one, I want to get a bird's eye view of Brooklyn here. So I'm excited to try that one. That one is definitely not a thrill seekers type of ride unless you are very much afraid of heights. But yeah, how was the what's it called, the Steeplechase? How was that?
I love it, and you should have been on there.
No, I'm good.
It's very nice.
Nah.
It's quick as you can see. Lasted what? Just a couple milliseconds, not even a full second. But it's nice. So we're gonna head on the Wonder Wheel next.
Yeah, so let's go onto the Wonder Wheel. And then we're gonna get something to eat. All right, so before we get into the Wonder Wheel, we're gonna try the Spookarama.
You can see I'm very well. This is one where I've never gone.
I have no clue what's about to go down.
I don't know what to expect. Where are we going?
All right, so unlike her, it's my first time. She's been here several times, like you said at the start. But she's never been on this ride before, so that gives us an even advantage. So before she knows her on all the riders.
This one, I have no idea.
So now, she don't have a clue.
So it goes one by one. It's not like a chain thing. Wow, you see?
Chucky.
These remains teeth and what in the hell? Wow.
Danger, poison, ivy. Yo, all right.
You told them you're trying to show me. What's coming up? What in the hell?
Oh,
Twilight Zone.
it's like the Twilight Zone.
Wow. Wow. Oh my God. I don't know what to expect.
Yeah, man, open your eyes and hold up your hand. Hello? 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 Hello?
Nothing touches me. Oh God.
Hello?
As long as nothing touches me, I'm good.
Hello?
Wow. As long as
T, how was that ride?
I love it.
Brother,
I love it.
I've never felt somebody just has squeezed me. And I say, yo, what the hell is going on? But yeah, that was a good ride.
Because I've never gone inside that ride, so I did not know what to expect. Unlike the others, I've been on them a few times, but this one,
Yeah,
it's fun though.
if you're a kid, it's definitely gonna be scary. However, we're gonna go on the Wonder Wheel now. Check out the sites from up top. We're taking a swinging cart because you can do the swinging or stationary, and then we'll grab something to eat. Yo, this one we can actually carry the camera on the ride, so that's cool. Babylon to jail for me.
Whoa! I never mind.
You shouldn't open your mouth.
Never mind.
Say me what I know? I gotta catch you. You think that's a regular thing?
Yeah, I thought it was, you know? Oh yeah, never mind. Oh, it has some kicks to it too.
Let me tell you, these Jamaicans that move to the US become so climatized, bro. Medea Sana said, it's cold for me. Oh, this is nice weather, bro. This is not nice weather.
It's not cold. It's nice. Really nice.
Not nice about today's weather,
I think
bro.
it's in the 50s.
And there's a wind. We're getting the wind from the ocean.
But it's not
Make
cold.
it feels like 40s.
But it is nice. It is
You
nice.
went to Jamaica a couple weeks ago, ain't it?
I did.
There we
and
go.
It was hot. Really, really hot. I was kind of missing this weather a little, but yeah.
I like it here when it's like in the 60s, mid 60s, 70s. Yeah, yes, like 2 days ago was very good weather. There's a sun and everything.
It's gonna rain tomorrow.
Yo,
See the stop. It's not cold. It's not cold.
nah, bro, this is cold, bro. Like the breeze is a bite me.
It's not cold.
So tell me about New York, though. Why did you end up moving to New York as a yardie?
In terms of leaving Jamaica or leaving from one state to the next and choosing New York?
No, just in terms of choosing New York in general.
This was over 20 years. Maybe the reason that I had then is not what I have now, obviously. I came to New York because I mean, who doesn't want to come to New York? And the fact that I came to the US and lived in New Jersey first. However, my dad lived here in New York, so I would come spend, a lot of weekends in New York, and I loved it. So I just decided to move, and I did this move from 2006. So
Gotcha.
I've been in New York since, and I love it. I'm so accustomed to it.
And a lot of Jamaicans are here.
Yeah, a lot of Jamaicans.
Yeah, if I were to live in the US, it's going to be either New York as my second choice, and first choice would be Florida, for sure. Miami,
Of course,
specifically.
same thing. Florida, a lot of West Indies.
Yeah, because it's a quick ride to Jamaica, quick flight.
Right. But yeah, a lot of Jamaicans are here.
Holy,
Yeah,
I'm gonna love that.
yeah. Lots of Jamaicans. And of course, a lot of Jamaican restaurants.
Yeah, how do you find those though?
I get used to it. I mean,
Wait.
when I say I get used to it, I mean,
It's not the same, like
not
yeah.
like back home. Obviously, because our culture back home, they are fed with what? Grain.
I think it's the same thing
Yeah,
like here, to be
no
fair.
matter how you season the meat here, it just doesn't taste as good as it does when you go back home. So
Agreed.
this is what many of us coming back from Jamaica bring back a lot of stuff and seasoning.
So I've been saying that I want, like, whenever I travel anywhere and there's Jamaicans, whether it be people who watch the content, I will hang out with them, spend a little bit of time, because I love you guys, to be fair, right? But I also want to, how can I say, any country that I go to, I like when I'm traveling to meet a Jamaican. There's nothing better. So I've mentioned before, probably not on here, but to people individually, that whenever I go to a country, like when I leave from New York, I want to go to a different country, and if anyone's open to coming to that country, then freaking feel free. Because the funny conversation I have with a lot of Jamaicans is, when they live over here, they do like what you do. You only travel back to Jamaica, like primarily. If you're going on a vacation right now, where are you going?
Well, for now, Jamaica.
And you've been doing that for how many years?
From as far as back as 2002.
There's this joke what they always say. People living in Jamaica.
Listen, you never get tired of going home. You never
I
get
agree.
tired of home. And
I
Jamaica's
agree.
nice. Who doesn't love Jamaica?
I agree,
The
but
beach, the food.
but what about the other places, like other Caribbean islands? Don't have to be Jamaica, but like.
Yeah, but I mean, Jamaica is always gonna be a first. Don't get me wrong. I like to travel. I like to go different places, but sometimes people end up going back to Jamaica for various reasons. Maybe that they have somebody back home.
Like husband, girlfriend, boyfriend.
boyfriend.
Yeah, I get that much,
So,
but
of course,
what about bringing those people who are in Jamaica, them want to travel to? Why not go to another Caribbean island and give them that experience as well?
well, that's up to them. That's up to them. Choose whether or not they want to.
Yeah,
Myself, I love the Caribbean on a whole. I've been to a few Caribbean islands before I came here. So I just feel like going home every chance I get.
Yeah, I get that. There's a joke that they say a lot of Jamaicans want to leave Jamaica to come to the US. Not a lot, but some. To come to the US for work the money to vacation back in Jamaica. It's like, but it's one of those things.
We have to go back home. We need with KFC. We need with jerk chicken and all them good things there. We need with seasoning. We just the culture. It's so rich. You just never get tired of it.
Agreed.
I can speak for myself. I don't know. Oh. I do not play with that. Yeah, but as I said, to each, everyone has their own reason.
For real,
And
facts.
those are some of mine. I cannot say the other reasons.
I think a lot of people are like you though, to be fair.
Yeah.
Because you have some valid points. Going back to spend time with a significant other, food, you know, and then I always get homesick whenever I travel. I always get homesick. However, I do like going to another place, checking it out.
Of course.
Because I think when you travel away from Jamaica, it makes you appreciate Jamaica
Exactly.
way
And
more.
and that's what gets a lot of us going back, because like even me, you know, as a Kingstonian growing up in Kingston, I didn't go to the country a lot. So since I've been away and I started visiting Jamaica, I said no, I have to travel to other parishes, and it makes me appreciate Jamaica more.
Yo, now it smells like a jerk pot.
Cheese mayo?
Queso? Yo quiero dos mes con mayo. Mayo, sí. The mayo helps it to hold on to it. Con picante. Sí. Ooh.
Thank you. You want more?
Sí?
Igual?
Yeah, equal.
Wow.
I had those in Mexico and they are fire. They're
I've always
so
had my corn just plain with butter.
yeah, the old school. We call it tough corn. We just you don't like the tough one?
No, the one in Jamaica, I hated those, man.
Too tough.
How much this? What?
Gracias.
Have you kebab?
All right, so we had our corn, we had the kebabs. Those were good. but we're stopping at the famous Nathan's hot dogs. I've had them before, but I had them in the, what you call it again? I had it in the, it's like a highway stop. That's where I had it. So yeah, we're getting it from the hub. And yeah, bro, I'm cold. Cool. That is why I'm not making videos in New York right now, because the days are cold as hell and I just cannot manage it at all. So yeah, definitely getting a hot dog. I do feel for a coffee for sure. I need a coffee. So we're gonna see how that's gonna work. All right, so you live in New York. Is this yeah, just a little bit. Is Nathan somewhere that you would go at least 5 times for the year, or no? How often then?
Only when I come here, because I'm not really a hot dog person.
Okay.
I mean, I love hot dog, but it's not something that I want to eat, on a regular basis.
Oh, you put mustard on your fries? I got it.
You want it?
Yep. Fries and a hot dog. Let me grab my glizzy. Yo, this bread is like so freaking soft, bro. What the hell? Thank you. This is a hot dog. Really good. Yeah. Yep.
You want to know?
I want the cinnamon sugar pretzel. Chinese pretzels, for me, is like the perfect mall food. But I'm super happy that what's sweet me? Cool, I bite him now. Yeah, the whole time. It's not that cold, it's not that cold, it's not that cold, bro.
The temperature dropped a lot. Plus we're by the water, so it seems not so bad down here now. But we're having a good time though.
An awesome time.
Yeah.
New Yorkers are always in a rush. That's their thing. But we're gonna go get some coffee right now. It's not as cold now. The temperature is very bearable because there's no wind chill, so that's amazing. So we're heading into Dunkin' Donuts. All right, so first of all, let me just say thank you for today. The day isn't done yet, but thank you for today. Because I think what people don't understand sometimes about traveling, when you go to a different country, you feel kind of lost.
Right.
So like even you, when you go back to your own home country, Jamaica, sometimes you feel lost in a good way.
Because, Jamaica has developed a lot since I lived there.
Exactly.
So
You still need like a cousin or a family member for kind of.
Definitely, because I do not drive when I go there either, because I know I'll miss out.
It's different. The driving is
Definitely.
different.
Especially, going to the fact that I did not learn to drive there.
Oh really?
No, I learned to drive here, so it's not like I was accustomed driving in Jamaica and driving on the side that they drive on. I don't mess with the driving line.
So it's said that the drivers here are terrible drivers. We kind of witnessed that a little bit. But in comparison to Jamaica, we are worst in driving.
Jamaica is worst, and this is why I do not mess with the roadways down there. Especially, I don't know the road like that. And I mean, here you could just put your car and drive and just, drive. You see a lot of street roads, bigger speeds. Jamaica, you have to always make sure, lots of turns. So you have to keep your focus, but
Fun fact about Jamaica though, if you can drive in Jamaica, you literally can drive anywhere else in the world.
True.
Because the lanes are very small. So the reason why a lot of people come to Jamaica and they say, oh, the driving is terrible, is not only because of the aggressive driving, but it feels like a roller coaster when you're driving in Jamaica, because from the potholes that you might encounter and in the very narrow roads, especially if you go to the rural parts, it feels almost like you're on the edge. Well, yeah, me driving to St. Mary a lot, I've felt that. Now, the question I want to ask you though, you said you've been here, living here for a while, right?
correct.
What you feel? about like the move from Jamaica. Even though you were younger then, like you know, you probably never had a lot of like working experience or family life experience, but do you feel like coming here has given you a better opportunity, or you feel like you'd have had better, like just being back home?
No, I feel like I have a better opportunity here.
In terms of what?
A lot of things, and school, work, and I mean, well, people might think America is just all about work. I do understand that it is, but there's still a lot to do and still a lot to accomplish. And I wouldn't say if I wasn't back home, I wouldn't have accomplished all that I have, you know?
Yeah.
But, and I cannot speak for the last 20-something years of my life, what it would have been like if I was still back home. But, you know, I grew up here and feel like I've made a lot of adjustments. I'm accustomed to it. Yeah, I don't think I made the wrong choice. However, I miss back home.
Of course.
I miss back home, and I would not see myself living in Jamaica right now. I don't mind going, you know, spending at least 2 weeks, but I don't see myself living.
I really love the honest response, because a lot of people, you know, the past couple of videos I've posted one about chasing the nomadic lifestyle, you know, where I'm basically just experiencing different cities and different parts of the world, and some people, they just automatically jump to the conclusion that, yo, I'm saying that Jamaica is not a great place. But what I think I'm getting at, I find like if you come from Jamaica and you move somewhere else, I find that you become a more rounded person.
Yes, and you made a good point. It's not that we are saying, you know, Jamaica is bad in the sense of you wouldn't be able to accomplish anything. Like, I live here and I travel back to Jamaica, and a lot of things annoy me when I'm there. Like the slow pace, you know, the waiting, you know, everything is just a wait. And you don't want to go there and complain and behave as though you're, you know, criticizing. We understand that, you know, it's the Caribbean, it's a much smaller part of the world, and just how it is, but it's just a nuisance. And
you mentioned, because what I like about what you said though is that like you're running from Jamaica because you go back very often,
yeah.
at least
3 times
per year, and you were just there a couple weeks ago. Now you mentioned something while we were at Nathan's, because of course we can't film every conversation, everything that happens, but you did mention about like something like napkins.
Oh yeah, right. When I picked
simple, right. It's a simple thing.
Things like that.
Very simple thing.
Yes. Just like I said 3 weeks ago when I was in Jamaica, I bought 4 patties. And by the time I got to the vehicle, my cousin who had traveled with me was asking for napkins. When we looked in the bag, it was just one. And I said, what the hell? And, you know, knowing me, how I am, I said, no, this is foolishness. You 4 patties, 4 separate bags, and you only put 1 napkin. So I got back out the vehicle and I went back on the 650. I said, I bought 4 patties, and I was only given 1 napkin. I said, can I have some more, please? She picked it up, but she gave me maybe like 2. Only 2. So this is why I said to you just now, when I picked the napkins up, I said, these are the things that I missed when I go back to Jamaica, because, you know, they don't leave these things out.
I agree with you. So not to spend too long on this topic though, however, like you said, if you go to Jamaica and you order 4 patties, a lot of the times they will cram 2 patties in a bag. Which is okay, I'm all right with that, but I think it's better customer service if you say to the person separate bags or together. Because I do understand from the Jamaican perspective where we're trying to conserve.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So,
yeah.
So instead of giving, because one thing I would say about in America, you tend to be very much more wasteful. Like in America, you just take a bunch of napkins that you don't need.
Right.
So I find that it could be in the middle.
It could be because.
But you're rather the option of being able to
take as much as I want.
Because like what I do when I get the extra napkins, I just put them on my fridge top in my apartment here.
Well, yeah, and I don't use them. But then again, it boils down to the individual, because some people, they use a lot of napkins when they're eating. Some people, after each bite, they'll wipe. So probably people like those, you know, need more, you know, taking up more. People like me, I would still take a lot. Not to say I'm going overboard, but you might end up needing all of them, you know? And like I said, I'm not using simple things like those to make it a big deal like I'm criticizing, but I'm
Things
just
add
saying
up.
that,
Everything adds
yeah,
up.
you just get accustomed to what you get accustomed to. So when you go back home and you see things like that, it annoys you.
So in a nutshell, you're just saying that, yeah, you think that here has good opportunities if you use them well, and if you miss home, travel back,
Right.
basically.
And for business, just the same, you know, everything. I mean, here you take your smartphone out and you get to conduct your business right there and then. Back home, you gotta go here, wait endlessly.
I'm telling you, like even for me to get a credit card back home, it's like it's a thing. Like here,
Oh God, don't even go there.
since I've been here, my credit score is good, right? And I applied for a credit card last night because I'm like I'm gonna go for another one from the same banking company that I use, and they just like okay, pre-approved,
See?
send.
Mhm.
Back
Right,
home,
right.
I have to go into the bank. And what I don't like, honestly, I don't want to go to the bank and nobody are looking at my bank account. I think that's where you have the privacy, where you don't even see if me have $100 in the bank account. You understand? So you can
Correct.
just do things, and that's why a lot of people sometimes fall into problems sometimes, because people realize that, oh, you have X amount of money, boop, boop, boop.
Right.
So it's kind of like a breach of security in some way.
Yes,
In
right, and it's, online banking is very, very.
It's very big here.
Oh yeah, definitely. I don't go into the bank. I hardly go into the bank. Maybe once per year. You know, everything a simple check. I get in the mail. I just scan it. Just go into my, online banking, scan that check, and
So,
it goes right to my account.
Final question inside the Dunkin' Donuts, because I know some people have very short attention spans. Even though I like to keep my video very informative, where we learn things, we eat, we travel, and we just get the whole real vibe. When you get up in age, right, and you have your money here, and you have your house, you have everything that you want here, would you move back to Jamaica? So you're comfortable, would you move back?
If I would move back, I probably would. But I
On a
would
scale of
say-
1 to 10?
I would probably say maybe like a 8.
Oh, that's good.
An
That's
8.
good.
Yeah.
That's good.
I love it in Jamaica.
That's good.
You know, and when I go back home and I stay at Airbnb, it gives me that feel like, wow, I'd love to invest in something like that. You know, the simple fact that it's good business, and you can always jump from here to there. Just have the opportunity of living in both worlds. So yeah, I would live in Jamaica, but like I said, I wouldn't live there now. Because I still have a lot of years to work
Before,
here
of course.
and do a lot more. But yeah, like you said, when I get older,
Yeah.
it's something I would consider doing. It would probably be yes, but maybe not a full 100, maybe 8 out of 10.
I'll talk to you again in 20 years, and let's see.
Oh my God!
He is so cute, my goodness. Oh my gosh.
All right, so we're about to go-karting. That I'm definitely excited for. Yo, why are people so competitive?
It's not even that.
Why? So T comes to me and she says, yo, do you want to ride on the karts together or separate? So I'm like, it don't matter. We could do it together. No, she want to go separate because she want to race me. So guess what? Now busting ass. Now that was fun. I remember something what I say before I left. You remember?
He didn't say anything.
That was fun. I like the go-kart ride. How much was it? $12 each person.
If you're riding alone.
Okay, that's not bad at all. We do have go-karting in Jamaica. I would say just as fun, probably about the same price as well. But that was a really nice one. I think I lapped everybody on the track, so that was good.
For my second time.
I was coming for you a second time, but they have to stop it.
Yeah.
All right, so what a pre,
I don't know. There's
Where-
other things to do. I mean, it's up to you. Oh, this is you want to do.
Okay, we could try a funnel cake. Is it from here? Ooh, I love deep fried Oreos for sure.
Good, thank you. What are you getting, Mr. Soup?
For me, it's gonna be. Oh, they sell a deep fried Oreos as more than one?
Yeah, fried Oreos, 6 pieces.
Damn. All right, fried Oreos for me. Sorry. Yes, please.
Do you don't want to put them? Again?
I can't
You
eat
don't wanna do
both of
it?
them, yeah. You want a strawberry?
There's no strawberry thingy.
She wants the strawberry one. You have strawberries? Okay.
I'm having this.
There you are.
Thank you, sir.
You want strawberry syrup or fresh strawberries syrup?
Yeah, both.
My fried Oreos, but me not gonna lie. Yours?
Fell off.
It looks so good. With the
Fell off.
strawberries on top. Damn, mine look like nothing. Wow.
Plain.
Plain. I remember the first time I heard about fried Oreos, and I was just like, yo, that's crazy. It's so good. Like the Oreos inside of the butter, it just melts, bro. You can take one. It just melts. The butter is like, it's almost like a pancake butter in a way. The same thing for the funnel cake. The funnel cake is baked with just butter. Look at that. So good.
Oh my god.
How was it? Amazing, huh?
Very good. Very good.
So that was good. A lot of sugar though. It's something that I think is very much for the kids. I know kids will just devour that for dinner. But yeah, the day is getting cold right now. It's getting super cold. So we are gonna head in. And how was your day, man?
Excellent.
Excellent day?
Yes, had fun. Do it again.
Vibes. All right, so I'll catch you guys once I get into my apartment and we can finish up the video. All right, so just got back home and today overall was a very good day because I crossed off something that was very, 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 very small on my bucket list, but still on my bucket list nonetheless, which is going to Coney Island. I've come to New York at least 10 times in the past and I've never, a matter of fact, a lot of New York I've never experienced before. And I know some of you, like I would say, feel stuck on an island where you're in a city, could be in New York as a Jamaican or you are a US citizen, whatever you are, but you're in a particular place and you feel like it's boring. Chances are it's not the place that's boring, it's just you not being adventurous enough. I'll tell you guys, wherever you are, search about, find whatever is of interest to you. If you don't feel like searching physically, then go onto the internet, type in 10 best things to do in whatever city you are in, and chances are you'll find something that interests you. And if you don't see anything that interests you, pick something that you've never done before, and chances are it might be a new interest. I want to send a big shout out, of course, to my subscriber today, T, for taking the time out to show me a part of her experience and also share with you a part of her experience being a Jamaican living inside of New York. I know everybody's experience here is different. For some Jamaicans, it's very tough living outside of Jamaica. However, I really appreciated that. And of course, getting to see somewhere faster. I find traveling with a local is always a lot easier, so I look forward to doing more of those type of link ups. Now today, of course, a couple people reached out to me and they said, hey, I realize that you're in New York, you're in my city. I am open to meet some of you guys, especially the people who have reached out to me throughout the years on social media. Might have never met you in person, but for me, you feel like a part of my family, at least my social media family to that. One guy reached out to me and mentioned he could show me this restaurant, that he likes, or, we could do airsoft. So hopefully that link actually gets to work out so we can exchange or learn more about culture and what it's like being in the US and the types of foods that are here or whatever it is pertaining to travel. I know there's also a married couple that, bro, I feel like I've literally seen them grow on social media, seeing when they got married or when they had their first kid. That link up I definitely want to make because I think she makes some really good food. The pictures that she posts on Instagram just look amazing. So hopefully I'm able to do that link up as well and I can share that experience with you. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. Remember to see things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link.